Good morning. Good morning. Revamped. Eyebrow tutorial in it. Let me put y'all on game. Oh shit. Hey, I already know what the fuck going on. But before I get into this tutorial, let's just talk about a few of the eyebrows that I've seen that I know I don't need to see. Number one, DeMarco's. Like it just got a marker and just like, or got a fucking rainbow in your eyebrow. What are you doing, bro? Number two,
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
the eyebrows are shaped just like the birds you drew in kindergarten and middle school. Let me put an image right here. I hope I get one because that shit looks like garbage. And then I got one more. It's okay. This one ain't that bad, but it's still like. The fadeaways, bro, is like all this right here. There's nothing. It's just straight bald. Then you got a whole set of hair. You got some beautiful thick hair going on all down here, but you don't have any hair right here. It's like they're like, I'm not gonna draw any little hairs right here. I'm gonna just leave them all back here. The fadeaways. I'm not fucking with it. Okay, let's get into this.
But if you walking around
Well, one eyebrow that's just chilling, and then another eyebrow that's just looking at everything like this. There's a problem. There's a disconnect. Because your eyebrows aren't connected, man. Okay.
Okay, so let's hop right into this shit. What I'm doing here is brush the hairs up and draw a line as to where I want my eyebrow to be for the bottom. And now we're going to line the top, starting from the center, not the beginning. We don't want to be a fadeaway hoe, but we also still want them to know we have brows, bitch. We got hair. I'm sorry. Having too much fun.
No, for real. Y'all did that in middle school? I know we did. Not actually having sex. Doing this motion right here, this little notion. Like, yeah, girl, I'm gonna get you in the playground, girl.
And we're back. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm just filling in the hair. If you leave your eyebrow empty, people are gonna look at you and wonder who in the hell allowed this girl to come out this bitch like this. Please don't say Kareema.K because I didn't say you do that shit. But no, for real, fill your eyebrow in, bro. Fill it in because that's the point of putting them on. Why are you not filling them in if you aren't filling them on?
I had to pause the music for this part. You see this little brush right here? You see this little color right here? It's called concealer, people. It is not supposed to be white. Unless you're white. But if you're this shade of melanin or a little bit lighter, don't have no white ass concealer right your eyebrow. Who almost said that? You don't want that.
This part is so simple, but people act like it's so complicated. All you're going to do is draw on your face. Blend out your concealer. Don't put too much in the beginning because you want it to have a nice fade, but enough so it won't be a fade away. Drag it to the end of your brow and just blend it out, ho. Please.
A little goes a long way. Remember that.
Sis, this is easy too. Just draw on the outside of the lines you already drew around your eyebrow at the top and blend the shit out. You know, 21, put a bit this Kareema.K now. Put a bit blend it out. Hey, put a bit blend it out. That's some corny shit, y'all. I'm sorry.
Now I suggest that you take those tips that I gave you, pass them down to the next girl you see with horrible brows, okay? Thanks guys for watching. It's Kareema.K. Peace.